Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something that came from an exotic nudes box. Wow, cool. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code RamenRaider15 for a discount. And you could end up getting something amazing. Like this. It's Menraku Japanese ramen chicken Paitan flavor. Paitan rhymes with Kaitan. And Kaitan is where the emperor of the known universe in Dune lives. Yeah. So it's a happy time. Okay, so we dump this sucker in. Sorry folks, no drinking today. I found my scissors, I knew right where they were. No Ramen Raider drinking game for you. Dump that on in. Normally, the cup, bowl rather, would have been like long gone. But the reason it's not is because it doesn't tell you how much to put in the bowl. If it said like 400 mils, I would already have this thing cut up and just do it in a pot. Ah, my nose, my eye. Ugh. There. And we're gonna add our happy liquid time. And put that on there. Give it 3 minutes. Boom. So where was I? I don't know. It's been a good day. Got up early, got a bunch done. Had some time in the living room with the kids with the tricycle. They enjoy that. And yeah, really nice and sunny out. Although this morning it was kind of chilly, man. Stuff going out in your shorts in 4 in the morning. Walking around a whole bunch, but it beats getting too hot when you're like halfway through it. So right now I'm doing a challenge. There's this thing on the Fitbit groups called the Work Week Hustle or whatever. And so you can have up to 10 people play. There's usually 10 people in it. And whoever gets the most steps in 5 days, Monday through Friday, wins. Well, there's this other group called 2020 and 2020, which is the whole goal is to get 2,020 miles walked or ran or whatever in the year 2020. I did that last month. I got to that point. But there's also a ladder in that group, and there's like 216 people in there, and gosh, where am I at right now? For a while, I was in first place in that one. Thank you. And what's it doing? It was okay when it was instrumental, but then when the guy started just like, I can't take it. But anyways, yeah. So this guy named Mahidner from India. This guy's a freaking monster. I mean, and he gets a lot of steps in, but I've seen him get up to like 280,000 steps in a day. That's a lot. That's close to 20 miles a day for a week straight. Because the ladder thing on that is, that leaderboard is the average of over 7 days. So a 40,000 step a day average for 7 days is pretty intense. But I decided he's a friend on there now, and I decided I'm gonna challenge him and I'm gonna walk him. Yeah, he's gonna lose. So he's definitely giving me a run for my money, but I'm gonna beat him. There's no question about it. It's funny. It feels like it's like some kind of weird boss battle. Because people, on there that don't walk like such a psychopathically crazy amount of steps every day, they'll say stuff like, dude, how do you do that? And blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, freaking beast. What's up with you? And I don't see it that way. I just think, like, I just walk a lot. Turn it down! They play the tablet so loud. Too loud! Thank you! I feel like one of my parents. It's just too loud. It's just far too loud. But here we go. This is interesting. I don't really understand what this is. There's a lot of this going on. It's some kind of vegetable. Okay, let's give these noodles a try. I don't know exactly what Paitan means. Creamy chicken soup, because that's what this looks like. Thick. Very thick. Not bad. Let's do it up. It's tough because I'm still trying to do 3 reviews a day. This is day 2 of that. I don't know how far I'm gonna get, but it'd be nice to get an extra week out. I can't throw that away because I gotta cut it up and scan it and all that. Difficult. Mung bean sprout. Spring onion, and I think maybe a little bit of this. Let me go with some chili oil. And a little bit of the shichimi. I'm gonna run out of this stuff, I swear to God. And some sesame seed. I think that's as far as I want to go with this one. Let's see how this looks. It's not bad. All right. thanks for watching, and again, yeah, go check out exoticnudes.com. Use the coupon code RamenRaider15 for a discount. While you're at it, go check out shop.theramenraider.com. Go check out, what's the other one? Go to the Google Play Store and get the Ramen Raider app. Have a good one. Bye.
Todo era bonito cuando lo hacían contigo. Ahora te pido amor como si fuera un mendigo. Y para ser bien claro que despidan a Cupido y te traigan pica pica pa' tus supuestos amigos. Como quieras y si quieres